What's 1?
Yeah.
1 means you're working on it.
What does 2 mean?
2 means you're getting there.
What does 3 mean? What do the black spots mean? What do the black spots mean?
That means they don't grade that one.
Why?
It's just not, it's not applicable to a 2nd grader. 2nd graders aren't working on that stuff yet. Is that your report card?
Yeah, let's go.
When did you get that?
A couple weeks ago.
And you're just showing it to us now?
I showed it to Mama. You weren't here. And then I lost it, then I found it again.
So now you're reviewing it again?
Wait.
1. Hey, Teddy, tell me what I need to get you done, because we gotta go in about 3 minutes.
You got one. I didn't
Here's your shoes, Skipper.
You got.
What, Teddy?
I kept the same pin for the camera.
You what?
I kept. Wait, let me see it.
I can't understand you.
Dad, do you think this computer is dire straits? You have 8 threes.
Maybe. What song are you looking for? Yeah, I should have money for nothing. Stop that, Ted.
You got a lot of bad essays. My guitar teacher taught me My guitar teacher taught me the beginning of
Money for nothing?
Yeah, and I gotta listen to it.
Satisfactory.
You know it's on my computer. We can easily burn it on a disk. Teddy, will you put that up?
I don't know where it is.
Put it in my room then. It doesn't go there. Fine, you can leave it there. For now.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Jeez, how long can this thing hold recordings for?
A couple minutes.
Okay, Teddy. We're going to take 2 bowls and then what else? 2 ice cubes. Just 2? I'm just going to fill a cooler up with ice. And you can take out 2.
Did you get any E's? Did you get any E's for excellent?
Just use water, just get
I
water.
got E's for excellent.
How many?
I got 1, 2, 3 E's. Mommy, get me water! Get me water!
Halfway up. So I can just throw the bag